Today we have a lot of dedicated technologies which are kind of proprietary and very special. With TSN we get an open standardized infrastructure that all of us can use.
CC-Link TSN embraces the TSN technology, and it was the first technology to support TSN in the industrial Ethernet world.
At PI we are cooperating quite heavily with CLPA for a long time now. Since then it extended to different corporations, now resulting in our partnership in the TSN Conformance collaboration.
There's an organization that recently just kicked off known as the TIACC. The TIACC basically is all about conformance. What the interesting thing is, it's ODVA, it's PI, it's OPC, it's Avenue, and CLPA that are working together to develop necessary testing infrastructure to allow us to have consistency and validation of all of our networking technology.
TIACC cooperation is a very important milestone. We need to make sure that the interoperability in the end user's plant, we need to make sure that that works together, and that's why we started that collaboration to define a common testing procedures and architectures to ensure the interoperability.
CLPA is here to help our partners quickly adopt the CC-Link TSN technology. We've got a multitude of partners that have been supporting the CC-Link protocol for a period of time. We're now working with those partners again to help them adopt the new TSN technology, allowing really a whole bridge and having total interoperability.
TSN is starting to become a relevant technology right now. The technology, I think, is developed over the last years and is now really ready to break through in the market. If you're a manufacturer of devices and you didn't start it, you better get your hands dirty now and get started with that technology and implement it now, because now is the time for that.